Hello and welcome back to the studio. Today we're going to dive into some organization of the weapons of mass creation. It's time to level up some of my organization. I carry things around in bags a lot like this and, just tucked into drawers, and I'm ready to have them just looking a little bit more professional, a little bit easier to access, and a little bit more tidy overall. Now, I am one of those people where I do like things kind of put away. I don't want all of my pencils in one cup, all of my pens in another cup on my desk. That just kind of makes me crazy. I can do a little bit of that, but I just need to have everything kind of put away for mental clarity. Or else I just find that I'm constantly distracted by it, thinking about other projects, wanting to reorganize things. It's just better if I can kind of close the door or close the drawer in this case. In addition to these storage drawers, Meeden sent me this set of drawers, and this set comes with an easel. So I have been looking at potentially working more on an easel now that I'm working on larger pieces and working on like more finished artwork again. And so I've been toying around with the idea of either getting an easel or a drafting table. And so I thought that this would be a good kind of first step in that direction. See if this helps my back, because that's kind of what's happening. My back is hurting and I'm just kind of out of space on the table. And I thought maybe this would be a good first step that not only would allow me to see if I like working that way again, because I just haven't in so long, but also solving another problem of storage for my oil pastels. So this is going to specifically be storage for the oil pastels, which is probably what I will be testing out using the easel on. That way I can have like graphite pencils and colored pencils and pens kind of all in this and have that be kind of its own thing. But I'm excited to start filling this up with you. I thought I'd do it a little bit ASMR style, where you can hear the kind of the pens going in and just see my organization. It should be pretty relaxing overall, and hopefully you will find the process as enjoyable as I know I'm going to. All right, we've migrated to a different spot so I can just focus on filling these with our oil pastels. And I love that when I'm working, I'll be able to just kind of remove the trays if I want to. There we go. So let's start kind of figuring out how these are gonna go. Let's just start. Let's go with some of our reds. These here. Flush down some pinkies over here. Okay, so this is what I currently have. This may change. So right now I have like reds and then flesh tones and like pinks. So I'm keeping white here, yellows. I have like the dark, deep, rich browns and then more of like our ochres here. And then let's go. Please, gray and purple, blue. Put in there. Now this set, since I haven't used it yet, I'd like to do like some testing videos with this before I start keeping it out of the box. So I'm actually just gonna open this up and slide that in here. That fits like perfectly. That's so nice. The blending tool is just a tortillon or blending stump, but you can see how dirty it is. And occasionally I just need to be able to get into little detail areas. And so I've been using that. Little test sheets from when I was creating swatches of the different palettes. So I'm just going to keep those in here so that I can kind of look for the color, find the number. So if I'm like, okay, I need whatever 88 is, I can go to the green, find 88, and it's what I'm looking for. So that's how I have this set organized for now. It might shift a little bit or change, but oh, it feels so much cleaner and so much nicer to just be able to close these things up. Guess who forgot to record an outro? So here I am with my taco in front of me and my hair up high. I hope that you enjoyed this video, that you found it entertaining, relaxing, inspiring even. I know I am inspired after like playing with the colors just to organize them. I cannot wait to start using them again. So I'm going to finish out this video and dive into that. And until next time, happy organizing.